Good afternoon. Today this video is from Success Convent, Melichaval, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a lesson for grade 4. Subject is Social Studies, lesson number 1, page number 74. Name of the lesson is India, our country. Name of the lesson is India, our country. Continuous of the lesson. You can take page number 74. Indian Ocean, I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian Ocean, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, S-O-U-T-H, South. You can see the page number 74, you can see here, Indian Ocean in the south. Next, Kanyakumari, K-A-N-N-I-Y-A, Kanyakumari, K-U-M-A-R-I, Kanyakumari. I-S is T-H-E, the, S-O-U-T-H-E-R, and southern, M-O-S-T, southernmost, T-I-P, tip, O-F, of, T-H-E, the, I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian, M-A-I-N-L-A-N-D, mainland. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Indra, I-N-D-I-R-A, Indra. Point, P-O-I-N-T, point, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, A-N-D-A-M-A-N, Andaman, A-N-D, and, N-I-C-O-B-A-R, Nicobar, I-S-L-A-N-D-S, Islands, Nicobar Islands. I-S-S, T-H-E, the, S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N-M-O-S-T, southernmost, T-I-P, tip, O-F, of, T-H-E, the, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Okay, Indra Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of the country. Physical division, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical division, D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N-S, divisions, physical divisions. I-N-D-I-A, India, C-A-N, can, B-E-B, D-I-V-I-D-E-D, divided, I-N-T-O, into, T-H-E, the, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical, D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N-S, divisions. India can be divided into the following physical divisions. Number 1, T-H-E, the, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, the northern mountains, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains, the northern mountains. Number 2, the, T-H-E, the, northern, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, northern plains, P-L-A-I-N-S, plains, the northern plains. Number 3, T-H-E, the, W-E-S-T-E-R-N, western desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, the western desert. Number 4, T-H-E, the, S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, southern, P-L-A-T-E-A-U-S, southern plateaus. Number 5, T-H-E, the, C-O-A-S-T-A-L, coastal, P-L-A-I-N-S, plains, A-N-D, and, T-H-E, the, I-S-L-A-N-D-S, islands. the coastal plains and the islands. Okay, one more time I'll read. Indian Ocean in the south. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. In Indra Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of the country. Physical divisions. You can see how many physical divisions are here? 5. So, number 1. India can be divided into the following physical divisions. Number 1, the northern mountains. Number 2, the northern plains. Number 3, the western desert. Number 4, the southern plateaus. Number 5, the coastal plains and the islands. Okay, you can see the fill in the blanks here. You can see here, fill in the blanks here. Fill in the blanks. I have written on the board. Fill in the blanks. Top is it. Top. You can see here. Rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. T-H-E-T-H-A-T. That. F-L-O-W. Flow. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. I-N-D-I-A. India. M-A-K-E. May. T-H-E. The. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. Dash. What will be the answer? Rivers that flow through India make the plains fertile. Answer is fertile. You can write the answer on the dash. Fertile. Number 2. Dash the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. So in the dash you write Kanyakumari. K-A-N-N-I-Y-A-K-U-M-A-R-I. Kanyakumari is the southern. I-S is T-H-E. The S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N M-O-S-T. Southernmost. T-I-P. Tip. O-F-Off. T-H-E. The I-N-D-I-A-N. Indian. M-A-I-N-L-A-N-D. Land. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Today's homework, this fill in the blanks, 2 fill in the blanks you have to write 2 times, and here 2 here you have to write 1 time. Okay, reading 3 times. Full total page number 74, reading 3 times. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe it.